Morning guys, I'm off on a solo trip to Cornwall. Not sure where I'm off to yet, but I've got this little beauty to test out. So I'm going to go and try and find some nice spots in Cornwall, do some photos. Hi guys, so I'm probably halfway to Cornwall now. I'm going down there to basically just to test out the new GoPro. Just go and find some nice spots to go and check out and that. But yeah, just stop for a coffee and check that out. Just see the coastline over there, the rolling hills of Dorset. Beautiful. So yeah, just got the kettle on. Gonna make a coffee for the rest of the journey. And I will catch up with you when we're down there. See you there. Hi guys, so I got back from that beach. I decided not to stay there because it did say no overnight parking, but I've heard that it's okay, but there was no one else there, and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to respect the locals, and I've found another little park up which I know I can stay in, so that's cool. So I'm basically just going to chill out here. Hope I don't get the knock, but yeah, I've just put a kettle on for a cuppa. No beers for me tonight. It's actually quite warm in here because I don't know, it's just quite warm, so I don't even think I need to put the heater on tonight. But the heater was working lovely earlier, the GoPro's working great. Still not worked out how to use it properly, but we'll work that out. So I'm probably going to get up early for a swim tomorrow, go to the beach, have a little swim, and we'll catch up then. Morning guys, just woken up, had a lovely night's sleep. The diesel heater is chugging away down here, look. Excuse all the wires and that, I've got to tidy all that up. But yeah, diesel heater check. GoPro not so much. For some reason, when I was at the beach yesterday, all the footage I took had no sound. So I've got to try and work that out. I don't know if I pushed the button on the handle or something, but yeah, so there's no sound, just me talking and nothing coming out. So yeah, weird one, I'll work that out. So yeah, I'm just going to go to the shop and grab some bread and stuff and cook some breakfast. And then I might even jump in the water for a little cold water dip. So yeah, I will catch you guys in a bit. Yeah. Just going for a walk down the beach, got my coffee. It's not too bad today actually, it's pretty breezy. Obviously it's cold because it's December, but it's alright. I'm just going to go and see what the deal is down here. See if there's anyone in the water. Check it out. So if you guys watch any of my videos, you know that I've been here before. It's one of my favourites. Promise I'll start taking you guys to some different places. We've got a trip to Yorkshire coming up in the new year, so that's going to be good with some friends. Little New Year's fun up in the Yorkshire Dales. But yeah, until then, you're gonna have to settle for Gilly Beach. It is a nice spot though. Lots of dog walkers, lots of swimmers. There's Annie over there. Such a shame you can't park here overnight, but that's alright. That's what the locals want. So yeah, I'm going to go and get my swimmers on. I'm going to get in that water. So guys, this whole trip was really about just testing my diesel heater and new GoPro, as well as picking up my daughter from university. But just realised I haven't really shown you guys where it is, so I don't know if you know the layout of the van. I'm going to do a van tour, proper van tour soon. But here's our van. So what I've done, I don't know if you can see that, but I've located it under the bed here, so the bed slides back and we've got bench seat either side. But the only place, so on a transit, it's really tricky with all the struts and stuff underneath. It's really tricky to get the hole drilled, especially where I've built everything in. So what we had to do is go right there, which is not great, but what I'm going to do is build a platform over here, so we still be able to sit here, and then this will have a plinth across it and the vent will be in that. So yeah, that is it, that's the setup. I've got the pump over there, the filter there, and for now I've just wired it into the little canister that you get and put that in the garage area. So yeah, that's that. Hopefully at some point I will wire it or put the fuel line into the fuel tank of the van. But yeah, that's it. It's a Triclicks Chinese diesel heater, and I'll put the link in the description below. But yeah, that's the diesel heater guys, and it works great. Loving it. Right guys, that's it from me. I'm going to hit the road now. I'm going to head back, one last little look at the beach. 5-hour drive for me now. Yeah, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. I know they're not that interested at the moment, but they will get better, I promise. I'm going to keep going. Like I say, Yorkshire for New Year, and I'm going to do a van tour eventually. Please subscribe, and I'll stick some of the GoPro bloopers at the end of this, because yeah, did some cock-ups. Anyway, till next time guys.